Okay, so I've just got one video for you for this maths lesson. Now you have got a couple of problems to solve on your PowerPoint. The last one though is actually quite tricky. So you might want to have a go at it first. If you do, switch the video off now. If you find it tricky, then you can go through it now with me. Okay, so it says here, there's a boy called Ken. There's also a picture of a sheep. Now, Ken says a quarter turn clockwise is the same as a 3/4 turn anti-clockwise. And it says convince me. Now, when it says convince me, you have to prove it, which usually means working it out and giving me the answer. Okay? So, I've got two circles, remember from our first lesson. This is actually how I draw it. So here's my first one. I've got that point in the middle and my arrow. A bit like the girl from last lesson. Okay, it's just an arrow though, my object. She's looking that way. Okay, and I'm going to take a quarter turn clockwise on this circle. Quarter turn, remember our fractions. You can split it up like that, can't you? So quarter turn clockwise means that's where I will end up. Okay, remember the hand of the clock ticks this way. Okay, so now I want to work out the other one. It says it's the same as a 3/4 turn anti-clockwise. So I start in the same position. There I am, this way. And I'm going left, aren't I? That's anti-clockwise, the other direction, to the ticking hands of a clock. And it's 3/4. So, like our fractions, there's my shape split into quarters, or 4. And I'm not going 1, 2, 3. So I'm going right round. 1, 2, 3/4. So I end up here. I rub out the arrow, show where I started, so I don't get confused. Okay, and let's have a look at our two circles. So, do those two directions, do they end up in the same place? Yep, okay, so we are correct. A quarter turn clockwise is the same as a 3/4 turn anti-clockwise, because they both ended up here. Okay, so have I convinced you? Okay, have a go on your own then. Enjoy.